So you need to be telling me that when the British first came to India, there was food that had gotten so big over time that they had spears were used to make alcohol. So they turned into an English garden around it.
There'll be two shots here when they get up and on the bench. U.S. press pool first, and then the Indian pool next. And you stay up on the top.
पहले अमेरिकन प्रेस ऊपर जाएगा, शॉट लेके उसके बाद फिर हम जाएंगे ना। तो जो बैटों के साइज फिट नहीं आएगा।
All right, so eventually we're going here. Eventually. Okay. Well, we will get to the top, but I can't go in the marble.
Last one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome, good job.
Hey, Mary, can you put your hands down? It's okay. You just look ahead. It's okay.
No, I can't even open my eyes.
You can. You just. Oh, I know, buddy. It's hard. Just do it for 3 seconds. All right. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, all set.
All right, U.S.,
Right,
U.S.,
next
U.S.
one.
Over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Right here, right here, right here.
You got to be precise because we're very close to it.
Sit on the bench.
Our boss has been not really that comfortable with people hanging around.
Now we have to yeah, one shot. So when we are using for them.
They'll be on one side and we'll be on the other. Come back. They're supposed to be at the end of this fountain.
Hang on. Let them move. Yeah. Let that move and then we'll move down. One good.
Oh, he's already.
We're all going to be at this spot right here.
Yeah,
And teammates, we're going to hold.
no, it's about that. We're going to go.
We're going to wait for them to get set. Okay.
We're going to be at the top. And you go up this stand at the bottom. Okay.
There's, yeah.
Yeah, it's in the bottom.
Hey, Travis, let's just go down these stairs right now.